Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A70, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, you want to open up Settings, and from Settings, let's scroll down to Device Care right here, and then tap on Storage, which is the second option right here. Choose your SD card, it should be on the bottom. So for me it's the SD SanDisk, and then tap on three dots up here and go into Storage Settings. Now here it gives you a general overview of the storage, but you want to tap on it again right here. And now you get the options. So you have the format or unmount. Now we're primarily interested in the format. Tap on it. Then you'll get a message that will remove all the data from it. So if you have something that you would like to keep on it, I advise you to back it up before you start, otherwise you will lose it. But once you're ready, you can tap on Format SD card, get a progress of formatting it. And once it's finished, the card will be immediately ready to be used again. So it should be right about now. There we go. So as you can see, SD card set up, your SD card is ready to use. Tap on done and you're finished with the process. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.